Hi guys, Barb here with your weekly Wednesday updates for Wednesday, September 18th, 2019. Yay! So, I'm going to start with a little bit of information from last week about the DBWS update. So those of you that have a DBWS, which I'm sure many of you do, they did update it. And so there are a lot of new features to it, and there are a lot of things that we can customize within our DBWS. Now, I'm not going to go into how you do everything because there is a video that Stampin' Up! Did do that they posted for us, telling us how to go about doing some of these changes. If you do find yourself really struggling, please go ahead and ask a question. We're happy to help you, figure that out. So that was a big thing last week, so that's super exciting. This week, we had a clearance rack update yesterday, so I'm sure there are still some amazing products left if you didn't get your order placed yet. That's always fun. We also have some kind of Christmas themed, holiday themed grid paper that is available, that was announced yesterday. And you can find that in the online store. I'm going to give you an item code because I had trouble finding it. The item code is 153984. It retails for $9. It is 25 sheets, and I'm not sure if it's double-sided. I can't tell. Anyway, so that's available. And speaking of grid paper, we also have the new paper pumpkin grid paper available, which is so cute. It has all those cute little puppies. How they're kind of doing that paper pumpkin is better than a box full of puppies. And so the grid paper has these super cute little puppies on that. And so that is also available. And let's see if I can find that information for you. Yeah, here it is. It is 50 sheets for $12.50, and it's 153985, and I believe that is also available in the online store. And these are the full sheets, the 11 by 17s. So super cute. All right. In addition to that, we have the Winter Wonders Paper Pumpkin Kit coming out in October and November. And now October is going to be some holiday cards. November is going to be holiday tags. The kits are going to coordinate. You don't have to have both of them to do the projects, but if you have both of them, then you can combine what you have in November and make even more fun coordinating items. So that's really fun. So make sure you let your customers know that they're kind of like piggyback kits and they'll work really great together. And right now is the perfect time to subscribe to get those kits. All right, the new trimmer. It's coming soon, they're telling us. It's going to be $25, which I think is about $5 less than the old trimmer was, so that's great news. And they say they're going to have it available for us to purchase before the end of the year. So fingers crossed that it's sooner rather than later. Okay. They also did want to do a little bit of, they're giving us information about what's going to be happening during Onstage and the week before Onstage. So November 5th, they are going to be posting videos announcing the top performers. So that's going to be the Global 100 and then the top overall in each country and the top in each country for sales, recruiting, and leadership. So that's exciting. So they're prompting us to get together with other demonstrators, people on our teams, our friends, whatever, and watch these together so that we can all cheer for everyone, because that'll be so exciting. And then when you go to Onstage, when you check in at Onstage, you will get your they give us those little ribbons that we can clip onto or stick onto our name tags. And so if you are one of those achievers, you will be getting some special ribbons for that. You will also get a ribbon for your title and any, let's see, if you've achieved Quick Start or any annual awards that you may have received over the course of the year. If you've gotten to the 160,000 flex points to earn the trip to Maui, you will get a ribbon for that. And so it'll just be kind of fun. And then those top performers will also get some extra little goodies. That's just a little special perk for them for working really hard and getting those great awards. After Onstage, then they're going to be posting the lists online, I believe, and they're going to also offer those top performers a digital badge to use in their email and blogging, Facebook marketing. So that's very exciting. And what else? So hopefully this is a new, I think this is new, or did they do this? Yeah, I think this is new. So it's going to be a different way of doing it, but it should be exciting. So I'm looking forward to that. The Stampin' Success magazine is online in case you haven't gotten yours in the mail yet. You can look at it online, and I do recommend checking that out. not just the online version of it, but they always have some online extras, some little things that are not included in the magazine itself, but that you can get by going and looking at it online. And so the link to that is in the weekly updates today, but I'm also going to quickly see if I can find a quick way. If you don't do it through the weekly updates, how can you see all the past issues? And maybe you're new to one of our teams and you're not really sure what Stampin' Success magazine is. You can look at them all online. It's a quarterly magazine that we as demonstrators get in the mail, and then they do post it online as well. So for those of you that may be new or aren't aware of this, I'm going to see if I can quickly find out where you go to get yours. Okay, you're going to go, when you log into the demonstrator website, you're going to click on Stampin' University and then Stampin' Success. And then the first thing you see will be the current magazine. And then that's where you'll also find the online extras. And if you scroll down, you can see a lot of our past issues from 2019, 18, 17. So there's a past 3 years of issues, and they're great for ideas and card layouts and color combinations. So maybe if you are new or if you just haven't looked at it for a while, I suggest checking that out. It's got some good information in it. Okay, back to the weekly updates. Let's see what else we have here. The Succeed Weekly was, it's listed in the weekly updates, plus it also comes to your email inbox. And this one focuses on the plaid, what do they call this? Perfect plaid, stamp set, and punch, the tree punch. And so there are some fun little projects that they do show you using those items. And it's a great way to, just contact your customers again, send them that cute photo, mention to them about the tree punch being bundled with the stamp set, and they can save 10% purchasing it that way. So that's always a great thing to market when somebody can save a little bit of money. So highly recommend doing that. Let's see, the Purple Posy ink pad. We still don't know exactly when that's going to be, when we're going to hear anything about that. I'm hoping, in the next few weeks, because I really need it to be available. Don't we all, though? Because we need it. So I'm really hopeful about that. And those of you guys that are going to Onstage, I'm super excited to meet any of you that happen to be going to Lansing, Michigan. That is where I'm going. I think Dina and Kelly are also going there. So that's going to be super fun. What else? I hope you guys are using the holiday catalog right now and really pushing that to your customers, because I always find that it's really good for them to start getting a jump on their holiday crafting, because we all tend to think, oh, we still have 3 months before it's Christmas, but you know what? The time goes by like that, and then you're done and you haven't crafted anything. So I really try to get that Christmas rush to my customers now. Let them know, get those things ordered so that you can start working on your projects, so that you're not rushed at the end when we have all those other things we have to do, like shopping, wrapping, baking, spending time with family, that kind of stuff. So right now is a great time to do that. Also, don't forget about the buy 3 get 1 free of the Select Designer Series papers. And I think we did talk about this the last time I did a weekly update. It is all the papers in the big catalog, and they start on page 165. There's 4. 166, there's 4, and then the top 2 on 167. So any of those 10 packs of designer series paper can be mixed and matched to buy 3 and get 1 free. And when you do go to order it, you need to enter the 3 that you want to purchase first, and then enter the next one, and that one will be the free item. So if you guys have any questions about that, please let us know. Gosh, I guess World Card Making Day is coming up October 5th. And while there aren't any specials that Stampin' Up! Is providing with us, it's a great day to hold a class or an event just to get people interested in stamping. Maybe they'll want to place some orders. You can collect some class fees. It's just an excuse to, contact your customers and do something. So I highly recommend using that as a way to get yourself a class on your calendar. You still have a couple of weeks. You never know what might happen, and get those people coming and stamping with you. Let's see, what else? I think that's it, guys. So not as many things as I've had in the past, which is helpful, so the video wasn't too long. Again, if you guys have any questions or comments about any of things that I've talked about, please put them below as a comment, and Kelly, Dina, and I will be more than happy to help you answer those, and even some of our other teammates will be happy to answer those for you. So thanks so much for watching this, you guys, and I hope you have a great week.